In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all your tasks in ClickUp. To get started, open ClickUp and sign into your workspace. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you have access to more than one, because your tasks can be separated across different areas. Once you're inside, you'll be able to use the navigation panel on the left to find the main task views. Next, go to the left sidebar and click All Tasks under the Spaces section. This is the area that brings together tasks from across your workspace, making it much easier to get a complete overview instead of opening individual lists or folders one at a time. If your screen looks a little different, just look for the All Tasks option in the main navigation menu. After that, choose the view that works best for how you like to manage your workload. You can switch to List View if you want a clean, detailed breakdown of tasks. Board View is useful if you prefer to organize work visually by status. Calendar View can help if you want to focus on deadlines and scheduling. Depending on your setup, you may also see other available views. The best choice really depends on whether you want detail, visual organization, or time-based planning. If you want to focus only on the tasks assigned to you, click Assigner and select your own name. This is especially helpful in shared workspaces where multiple people are working in the same projects. Filtering by assignee removes the clutter and gives you a personal task list you can review more quickly. If you need to see completed work as well, click Closed and turn on Show Closed Tasks. By default, closed tasks may be hidden, so enabling this option helps you review finished items along with active ones. This can be useful when checking progress, confirming completed work, or looking back at past tasks. You can also fine-tune what appears on screen by clicking Filter. From there, narrow your tasks by status, due date, priority, or location. This is a great way to cut through a long task list and focus on exactly what matters right now. For example, you might want to view only urgent tasks due this week, or only tasks from a certain area of your workspace. Finally, if you already know the task you're looking for, use the search icon to find it quickly. Searching is often the fastest option when you need one specific task without scrolling through everything manually. Once you know where these options are, it becomes much easier to stay organized and keep track of your work in ClickUp. Thanks for watching.